In this video, I will show you how incredibly vast our universe is, using the simple example of a car's speed. Normally, when a car travels at 100 kilometers per hour, we think, wow, that's fast. Now, imagine you are driving a car at 100 kilometers per hour, and you want to travel from Earth to the Moon. Even though it's impossible to drive a car into space, let's imagine it just to understand the scale of the universe. The Moon is about 384,000 kilometers away from us. If you drove non-stop at 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you about 160 days to reach the Moon. Now, if you wanted to go even further to the Sun, it would take you about 171 years, driving non-stop at the same speed. Or, consider traveling to Mars. The distance to Mars varies. When it's closest to Earth, it is about 50 million kilometers away. In that case, it would take you about 62 years to reach it. But when Mars is at its farthest point from Earth, it is about 400 million kilometers away because of their orbits around the Sun. To reach Mars at that distance, you would have to drive non-stop for about 458 years. What if you wanted to travel even further, to Neptune? It is about 4.5 billion kilometers away from Earth. If you drove there non-stop at 100 kilometers per hour, it would take 5,100 years. Now, let's step outside our solar system. The closest star, Proxima Centauri, is about 41.3 trillion kilometers away. 1 trillion is a million. Think about that, 41.3 trillion kilometers. If you could drive at 100 kilometers per hour to that nearest star, it would take you about 47 million years. Let's go further. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is 100,000 light-years across. If you tried to cross it at 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you over 100 billion years. And if you wanted to leave our galaxy and reach the nearest massive galaxy, Andromeda, which is 2.5 million light-years away, it would take you 27 trillion years. Even further, our galaxy cluster, the Local Group, contains Andromeda, the Milky Way, and about 50 to 134 other galaxies. It spans about 10 million light-years. To cross this, it would take you 100 trillion years. Finally, consider the observable universe. To travel from one side to the other, covering a distance of 46.5 billion light-years, it would take you 500 quadrillion years. That number is so massive, it's impossible to visualize. Simply put, it would take 5 times 10 carat, 17, years to reach the edge of the observable universe. I know we can't actually drive a car through space, but I wanted you to imagine how vast this creation really is. Next time you travel by car, bus, or truck, just imagine how long it would take to cover even a tiny fraction of this universe at 100 kilometers per hour. It's a scale that is truly beyond our imagination.